In science, let's revise the exercises and question answers of light, shadow, and eclipses today. Page number 102. Which of these is an example of an opaque object? Give example of an opaque object. Good. Okay, so out of glass, wax, paper, clear plastic, wood is an opaque object. The object does not allow light to pass through it. Which object does not allow light to pass through it? It's an opaque object. Translucent allow little light. Transparent objects allow full light to pass through, but opaque objects do not allow any light. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, the shadow falls on. When the earth is in between the sun and the moon, the light of the sun is falling on the earth and earth's shadow is falling on the moon. So where the shadow will fall? Shadow will fall on the moon. Yes. In a solar eclipse, the shadow falls on, and in solar eclipse, moon is at the center, one side is the sun, another side is the earth. So sunlight is falling on the moon and moon shadow is falling on the earth. So shadow falls on the earth. Answer is earth. Again, next question, pick the correct option. Things that give us light are called luminous objects. Luminous objects. Light travels in a dashed line, straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Light that travels in a straight line is called ray or row. Light is always called rays. Dash objects form shadows. Opaque objects form shadows. Yes, now you have to give one word answer. Only when only a portion of the sun is blocked by the moon. Partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse. Objects that give out light, luminous objects. Objects that give out light, luminous objects. Objects that allow a little light to pass through them, translucent objects. Objects that allow little light. Question answers also you all have done in the copies. Now turn next chapter exercises. Next chapter exercises. Page number 111. Next chapter exercises, page number 111. In between the chapter, whatever are the things given, let's revise, good to know, check your progress. You all have to prepare those for your exams. Okay, you have to read the lesson carefully and prepare yourself. Circle the correct answer, page number 111. This is the innermost layer of the earth. Which is the innermost layer? Mantle, crust, or core? Core is the innermost layer. Outermost layer is crust, where we all walk. Middle layer is mantle, and the innermost layer is core. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Armstrong. Armstrong. The sun is mainly composed of two gases, hydrogen and helium. Sun has two gases. Yes, very good. Hydrogen and helium. Which device measures the intensity of earthquake? Which device? Seismograph measures. Yes, seismograph measures the intensity of earthquake. The single largest standalone disaster response force, NDRF. NDRF. Yes. NDRF. Now, true and false. Mount Vesuvius is a dormant volcano. False. Mount Vesuvius is not a dormant volcano. Next, yes, the gravity of the Earth's surface is 1/6 on that of the Moon. Gravity of the Earth is 1/6. False. Gravity of the Moon is 1/6, not the Earth. Then people who study the structure of the Earth are called cosmologists. False. Below the surface of the earthquake starts at the hypocenter. True. Below the surface of the earthquake starts at hypocenter. Apollo 11 Saturn 5 space vehicle was launched from Cape Kennedy. True. True. Match the following: mountains, landform that rises out of surrounding land, mantle, mid layer inside the earth, earthquake, shock waves that shake earth, then tsunami, massive tidal waves, extinct volcano, Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya. Rewrite we don't have to do. Now give one word answer. The earthquake will be the strongest at this point on the surface. Epicenter, very good. Epicenter. The space vehicle launched from Cape Kennedy Space Center on 16 July. Apollo 11. Apollo 11. A meteoroid that survives its passage through the Earth's atmosphere and lands on the Earth's surface. Meteorite. Meteorite. Now, important diagrams from this lesson. Write the important diagrams. The solar system, the layers of the Earth. The solar system, the layers of the Earth. Volcanic eruption. Three diagrams are important. The solar system, the layers of the Earth, volcanic eruption. Write fast. The solar system, the layers of the Earth, volcanic eruption. So, homework is that you have to read this chapter before we discuss it tomorrow. All right? So today's work is you have to practice maths, the sums which I gave you in profit and loss. Then you have to do the word meanings of English literature, the two brothers and the gold. Yes, and read that chapter again. And you have to read the science chapter and learn the exercises, plus practice the diagrams. This much work you have for today. And I don't want any child saying tomorrow, ma'am, I have not done. Everybody have to do. Clear? Anything you want to ask? Yes. Yes. One by one. The diagrams are the solar system, volcanic eruption, and layers of the earth. The solar system, volcanic eruption, layers of the earth. Clear? Some connectivity issues also coming. All right, so is homework clear to everybody? English literature, read the lesson, do the word meanings. Math, practice sums on profit and loss. And third, science, learn the exercises, practice diagrams, and read the lesson. Clear?